Hello everyone, welcome back to Can and Coffee. Here we have a Breville Barista Express espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the gasket, the one that you see right here. As you can see it was both broken and stuff. We also replaced the three-way solenoid valve assembly, all these little pieces that you see right here. And we also replaced these, we got this little part for the steamer. So we're gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. I'm gonna grind some coffee over here. This is a previous cup that we did with the machine. Then I'm gonna put away. Well, let me refill the water tank before after we. Perfect, that's good enough. Alright, let me tamper this and fill up the water tank. Okay, now that I tamper correctly and I put some more water in the tank since it was empty, we're gonna do one shot of espresso. So espresso range going up, perfect. Good crema coming out of the machine. Good shot coming out of the machine. And now for the steamer. It's gonna take a bit for the machine to build some pressure. Bottom of the punching, giving a pressure inside, and as you can see, now the bit of pressure is working perfectly fine, good temperature, looking great.